Hello everyone, myself Vishwas, currently pursuing engineering in MIT Academy of Engineering Pune. Today I am going to tell a detailed explanation on process quality measurement tools of project management. The first model is ISO. It is based on the principle of PDAC cycle and the 8 quality management principles. PDCA. Define a plan, execute the plan, check the result, take the necessary actions. 8 quality management principles in ISO standard are customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision making, mutual beneficial supply relationship. CMM model. The capability maturity model is the methodology used to develop and refine an organization software development process. The model describes a 5-level evolutionary path of increasingly organized and systematical, more mature processes. CMM was developed and is promoted by the Software Engineer Institute, a research and development center sponsored by the US Department of Defense. The 5 levels of CMM are as follows. Level 1, Initial. No KPIs are defined. Processes followed are archaic and immature and are not well defined. Unstable environment for software development. Level 2 is repeatable. Focus on establishing basic project management policies. Experience with earlier project is used for managing new similar natured projects. Level 3 is defined. At this level, documentation of the standard guidelines and procedure takes place. It is well-defined integrated set of project-specific software engineering and management processes. Level 4 is managed. At this stage, quantitative quality goals are set for the organization or software product as well as software processes. The measurement may help the organization to predict the process and process quality within some limits defined quantitative. Level 5 optimization. This is the highest level of process maturity in CMM and focuses on the continuous process improvement in the organization using quantitative feedback. Process change management. It focus on the continuous improvement of the organization software processes to improve productivity, quality, and cycle for the time software product. Now we will see what are the limitations of CMM model. CMM determines what a process should address instead of how it should be implemented. It does not explain every possibility of software process improvement. It concentrates on software issues but does not consider strategic business planning, adopting technologies, establishing product line, and managing human resources. The next model is Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a process that makes use of statistics and data analysis to analyze and reduce errors or defects. In this process, the purpose is to improve cycle times while reducing manufacturing defects to no more than 3.4 defects per million units. Six Sigma methodology, DMA IC methodology. Define, method, analyze, improve, and control. Firstly, we will define the problem or project goals. Second, we will measure the problem and process. Third, analyze the data and process to determine root causes of the defect. We will try to improve the process by finding the solution to fix, control, implement, and control and sustain implement solutions. Another methodology is DMA DV. Define, measure, analyze, design, verify. First, we will define the problem. Secondly, we will measure and determine the customer's needs and specification. Thirdly, we will analyze the process to meet the customer need. We will design a process that will meet customer need. We will verify the design performance and ability to meet the customer needs. Benefits of the Six Sigma are that sets a performance goal for everyone, enhances values to the customer, accelerates the improvement, promote learning and cross pollination. Execute strategies change. Disadvantages of Six Sigma are It is a quality improvement process and is root adoption of its protocol often leads to an increase in the overall cost. For small businesses, it may constrain new ideas favoring creativity and innovation. The next model is Lean. Lean project management is a methodology for managing projects in a way that increases productivity, reduces waste, and eliminates unnecessary costs. Lean Six Sigma is a team-focused managerial approach that seeks to improve performance by eliminating resources, waste, and defects. It combines Six Sigma methods and tools with the lean manufacturing, lean enterprise philosophy. Lean pursues perfection by putting the customer first, defining waste as an activity that doesn't add value to the customers. The features of the Lean are time tracking, collaboration tools for online chatting and messaging, resource tracking, scheduling, tracking of tasks, task dependencies, risk analysis, access from anywhere, and customization. The five core principles of lean thinking are: understand value, map the value stream, ensure that the value stream flows, employ a pull approach, pursue continuous improvement. Advantages of the lean are: cost decrease. Lean management is about to maximize of profit. This means cutting cost within an operational as well as increasing revenue, customer interaction enhancement, and also increased quality. Disadvantages are inventory problems. Inventory is considered wasteful within a lean operational, and low amounts of stock are usually kept on hand in order to decrease any carrying cost. Implementation costs. At times, lean management is implemented into a company that has never used it prior to implementation. Difficulty changeover. Kanban. Kanban is very successful and easy method of organization and following workflow. The idea behind Kanban is to divide the work process into stages. The other step is to make sure that all the team members are following prescribed work in a progress limit to make sure that they can fully focus on their task rather than trying to complete any number of jobs simultaneously. The approach of doing only one task at a time promotes focus and diligence, allows for productivity and quality increase, and helps to create less chaotic work environment. The primary goal of Kanban is to reduce waste. If parts are bought only when needed, you are less likely to waste time, money, or space ordering unnecessary parts. The strategy creates more efficient processes because the strategy is implemented based on customer demands. If there is lot of demand for product only, then you should order more. If there isn't sufficient demand, companies can prevent unnecessary orders. The six rules of Kanban are: never deliver defective products, supplier products item in a precise amount of sequence and time, produce the exact quantity required, reduce fluctuations, tune in the production or process of optimization, stable and rationalize the product process. Advantages of Kanban are that Kanban is very simple and easy to understand system that makes it practical for the management of company to apply this effectively. The main advantage of applying the Kanban system is direct reduction in the cost and wastage of the company. Kanban system advocates continuous and sustainable improvement in the production system of the company. Disadvantages are that Kanban cannot be used as an implementation tool. It is not a methodology that can be applied solely, rather than it can be merged with other processes and system of the company. As the tasks are continuously shifted between the columns of Kanban code, the predictions of the specific timelines for completion of tasks or activities become difficult. So in this video, we have understood the models ISO, CMM, Six Sigma, Lean and Kanban.